grade into math, module 10, understand division with whole numbers and unit fractions. So we've talked about unit fractions before, right? Okay, and unit fractions have what in the numerator? 1, right? Okay, so what is the secret number? Follow the steps to find the number of words in the Constitution of the United States of America, including all 27 amendments. Complete each equation to represent the shaded part of each fraction strip. So how many colored boxes are there? 7, right? Okay. So there's 7 colored boxes, and then each one of those boxes represent what? 1/10, right? So 7 times 1/10 is 7/10. Okay. Next one, how many colored boxes are there? 5. So, and then each box represents what? 1/6. So 5 times 1/6 is 5/6. Okay. Next one, how many colored boxes? 9. And each box represents 1/12, right? So it equals 9/12. Okay. Next one, how many colored boxes? 1. Each box represents 1/5. So 1 times 1/5 is 1/5. So write a 4-digit number using the whole number factors for each equation. Write the factors in the same order as they appear. So the Constitution has how many words? So basically they want a 4-digit number, okay? And then they want us to use the whole numbers that appear in the equations that we just did. Okay, so can we just work our way down? Yes, so we could do 7,591 words. So we did the 7, the 5, the 9, and the 1. Right? Just worked our way down. Okay. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Represent division. Complete the table. Use counters to help. So if you had 30 counters and you had 6 equal groups, how many would be in each group? 5. Okay. 28 counters. We have 4 groups. How many, or 4 in each group? How many groups do we have? 7. Okay. We have 16 counters, 18 equal groups. How many in each group? 2. Okay, because we're using stack families, right? Okay. 27. We have 3 in each group. How many groups do we have? 9. Okay. Relate multiplication and division. Write the related facts for each set. So we have a division sign. So what would have to be out front? 42 divided by 6 equals 7, right? 6 times 7 equals 42. We have a division sign again, so what has to be out front? 42 divided by 7 equals 6. And then this time it would be 7 times 6 equals 42. Okay. Next one we have division. So what goes first? 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. What's my next one? And my next one? 24. Okay. Next one, division. What do I have first? Next one. Next one. Next one. Okay. All right, now they want equivalent fractions. So we have 1648. What goes into those 16 and 48? 8. Now we know for sure 2 would because they're even, right? Okay, but if we have a bigger number, we want to use that, right? Okay. Otherwise, we could keep simplifying. But so 8. 8 goes into 16. 2 times 8 into 48. 6 times. So we could have actually went a little higher, right? So what goes into 2 and 6? So 2, right? So 2 goes into 2 1 time, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 1/3. So we could have actually used 16, right? Okay. Right, but that's okay. So 6 7. It's already simplified, right? Okay, so we don't change that one. Okay, 5 13. Already simplified, right? Because they're both prime numbers. 16 16, right? 16 goes into 16 once. 16 goes into 32 twice. So 1/2. 14 18. 2, right? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 16 9 times. So 7 9ths, right? Okay. 55 66. 11. 11 goes into 55 how many times? 5 times. 11 goes into 66. So 5 6.